everybody. So today Corey and I will be teaching you how to make street tacos, as well as like the traditional American tacos, as much as I guess it can be traditional American tacos, how we do it in our house. And we're going to be using ground turkey to make that recipe. I'm also going to show a recipe on how to make salsa verde. I love this as an alternative. I love it as an alternative to buying the can like pasted salsa or Taco Bell salsa, which is nothing wrong with those. But if you can make your own and you learn how to make it, which is super easy, I promise you won't go back to the bottle kind. So stay tuned and we will show you how to make it Denara style. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the salsa verde. What I did was grab, this is a total of 1.5 pounds. It was actually a little bit more of tomatillo. They are basically just baby green tomatoes. And what you want to do is just peel them out of this little shell here. We're going to wash them too because they leave this sticky residue on them. And I don't know what that's about, but I can't stand it. And this one isn't as bad as that other one, but make sure you wash these bad boys off before you start this process. Marinating our chicken. I have some Jalapeno, I have some cilantro and parsley chimichurri sauce, my staple, Saison Classico all-purpose seasoning, and garlic powder. So what I'm going to do, I have 1 tablespoon, oopsies, make that 1.5 tablespoons of our Saison Classico. I'm going to do the dry ingredients first. Garlic powder, not quite a full tablespoon, but we want the garlic to stand out. And notice I said garlic powder, not garlic salt. You don't want to add any extra salt if you can help it to your dish, okay? Now, this is my paste. I'm hoping I can just, good, kind of do this. And that is 1 tablespoon of any type of marinade of your choice. I've known people to make their own. If you have some that you make, this would be the perfect type of thing to cook that in. And I'm thinking 2 tablespoons of the Jalapeno, Worcestershire sauce. You know, it said so many different ways. I'm not even going to attempt to say it. And don't worry, I'm going to wipe all this down and get this whole area cleaned up. Can see the color has changed dramatically. They went from the very bright color to the color we see now, and actually also breaking up. And that cooked, it is now 6:01. Those cooked for 13 minutes. And the 2 cups of water. So all you're seeing me do now is just pour them over into my blender. The one and only other two, well, not one and only, two other ingredients we're gonna add is 1 clove of garlic, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Maggie's. Moving on to the pico de gallo. Okay everybody, so what we have going on is the ground turkey is just getting started. I am about to take out the chicken that has been marinating, and I'm about to put it right here. Now, one thing to note is that because this is turkey and I don't plan on draining any of this, it's completely green, I'm going to go ahead and add a packet of the mild taco seasoning. I know you can make this yourself, however, I'm not. guys, so I am going to start making the tortilla tacos. It's not difficult, but it's definitely time consuming. What I purchased were just regular flour tortillas. You guys, we have 2 of the chicken, shredded chicken, and we have 2 of the cream cheese ground turkey tacos. Try it. If you like it, comment and subscribe, or just leave a comment. Thank you.